Hey guys, welcome back. We got number 3. We are going to calculate the pH. Let's just calculate the pH. Yep. We got 1 liter of the buffer, and so we have 1 molar sodium acetate and 1 molar acetic acid, and then we're going to add sodium hydroxide, and we're going to add hydrochloric acid. Now, there's no change in volume. All right, so this is a buffer. And because it's a buffer, right, we know pH equals pKa plus the log of the conjugate base over the acid. All right. So if we look up Ka for acetic acid, 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. The pKa would be the negative log of 1.8 times 10 to the minus 5. So the pKa is 4.74. All right, so now let's look at what's happened with A here. So we have NaOH. We don't care about the Na, so we got OH minus coming in, and that's going to react with the acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH. On the other side, we're going to get acetate, CH3COO minus, and H2O liquid. All right. Let's do an ice table. All right, so we're going to start with 0.0080 molar. And then we have 1 molar of our acid and 1.00 molar of our conjugate base. And we're not changing the volume, so we're making assumptions here. So change is minus 0.080, minus 0.080, and plus 0.080. So in equilibrium, of course, our hydroxide added is gone. Where then we have 0.92 molar acid and 1.08 molar base. Now, I'm going to assume that we're not going to have another equilibrium shift. We're going to keep the buffer. And so we're going to have the buffer. So our pH will equal the pKa, 4.74, plus the log. Well, here, let me write it this way. We'll do the whole thing out. pKa plus the log. In this case, it's acetate, CH3COO minus, over acetic acid. So the pH would be 4.74 plus the log. Base, 1.08 all over 0.92. And if we do that, I think I get 4.81. And so there is the answer to A. To B, same thing. HCl, we're just going to add the H plus, right? Because we're not, the Cl, spectator ion, doesn't matter. That's going to react with the acetate, right? Because the acid, H plus, is going to react with our conjugate base. And we're going to make our acetic acid. Ice table again for this. So we're starting with acid, 0.12 moles or molar, because we are in 1 liter, right? I don't know if that was so clear. We're in 1 liter, so it makes it nice. And we'll start with our 1.00 molar and our 1.00 molar. Minus 0.12, minus 0.12, plus 0.12. So we have 0 added acid now. We have 0.88 molar acetate and 1.12 molar acetic acid. So using the pH equals to pKa, pH equals 4.74 plus the log, right, because we're doing the same thing. The base, 0.88, acid, 1.12. So I'm getting the pH. Hopefully you get the same thing as 4.64. All right. So that's just simple buffers, all right? And they made it very simplified for us. All right, hope that works. If you have any questions, reach out. Otherwise, we'll see you for the next one. Take care.